Today, Z. My man, Johnny. The spicy chicken sandwich war has begun. My wrist is still on the mend. I'm not trying to overdo it. I don't want to go somewhere far. I figured let's just keep it easy, keep it local. So I got a mission for us. We're going to travel around. We're going to go hit a bunch of spicy chicken sandwiches from all the fast food restaurants around here. We got Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, Popeys, Burger King, and KFC. We're going to split up. We're going to go get a couple sandwiches. Then we're going to go meet up back at your house, yeah? And then from there, we're going to compare them. We'll see who the ultimate winner is. The best chicken sandwich.
Let the chicken begin.
Wendy's and KFC's that way, so I'll head to R.S.M. You're going to go to Chick-fil-A and then head down to Irvine for Burger King. And you're going to Popeys.
Popeys!
Alright, when we're done, we'll meet at Johnny's. We'll make a food video.
3, 2, 1, break.
Alright. Chicken, man, right? It's going to be a fun video, a little different than you guys are used to. So my wrist, it's not quite healed yet. The doctor hasn't given me clearance to ride or do anything for that matter, but Mobius sent me over a brace and it's feeling pretty good, man. I'm not going to push it, which is why we're doing easy videos. You're not going to see me ripping around the bike, pushing the limits, or unfortunately even riding wheelies, man. Look at this race, man. It's pretty cool. Mobius, it's good stuff. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, and I paid for this thing, but I'm really impressed with it. This thing gives me a lot of confidence. Good job, Mobius. What else can I tell you about? It's been a while, man. It's been a while. I missed you. I missed the bike. It feels so good to be back on it. The day's a little gloomy, man, but it doesn't matter, man. It's a ray of sunshine on me. Let's talk about SCMM. Unfortunately, it's been canceled. Coronavirus, right? That sucks. Hang tight for next year. It'll happen, man. Let's talk about the Kleb. Talked to Kleb the other day. He assured me he'll be back, and he said sooner than later. So that'd be fun to have him back. Miss that guy. Some of you guys have been giving me a little bit of pushback for the content that I've been releasing. It's old, man, but it's new footage. You've never seen these videos by any means. I stockpile some videos for times when I have a broken wrist. You know, I'm lucky to have them, you know, otherwise I wouldn't be releasing videos at all. So please stop giving me shit. I'm doing what I can with what I have. I'm lucky to have a stockpile of footage. And for those of you that didn't know that I broke my wrist and hadn't been able to ride for the last few months, I'll put a link in the description of the video there, man. Go watch me crash. Oh shit, KFC's right there. Okay, okay. Let's hit it. I put a camera on Z. It's gonna be interesting to see what he captures. Oh, look at this. Nobody's even drives through. I'm gonna be finished first.
Hi, can I help you?
Can I get one of your chicken sandwiches? I'll do the Nashville hot, please.
And you want the combo?
Just a sandwich, please.
Nashville hot?
What?
For your sandwich, Nashville hot?
Yeah, Nashville hot, please.
Okay, you need to know?
No, I think that'll do it.
There's only one?
Yeah, just one.
Okay, 5 please. Thank you.
Thank you. How you doing?
Thank you.
I'm all right. You know what? Can I get a side of mashed potatoes too? That was quick.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thanks for being open and stuff. Yeah. I should mention that Johnny's also filming for his channel. After you watch this one, go over there and watch his version. While I'm thinking about it, I want to give a lot of love to the channel partners. Haven't skipped a beat, man. Voss, Chaparral, LUIMOto, Henry Haddad. He stuck by me right all the way through this virus stuff. You know, everybody's hurting. Companies are hurting, man. So for them to continue to work with me means a lot. So I do encourage you, if you guys are in the market for any of their products or services, just consider them first. Look at that, Wendy's. Easy. I'm gonna go through the drive-thru again. I had such an easy time at KFC. I'm just gonna do the drive-thru here. You know what? That's boring. I bet nobody's inside. Well, we're gonna get two here, man. Look at this. 2 for $5. Wendy's is gonna win in the price department. Did you guys already order?
Yeah, we're good, man. All you.
Can I do the 2 for $5 spicy chicken?
The spicy chicken sandwiches or nuggets?
Yeah, the spicy chicken sandwiches. Thanks, man. See it. All right, I'm done. Wonder how the other dudes are faring up.
Welcome everybody. I'm just kidding, this is not my channel. My name is Z. If you guys didn't know, I am on my way to Popeys Louisiana Chicken for our chicken challenge. See which chicken sandwich is the best in town. In my opinion, out of all the fast food restaurants, that one by far is my favorite spiced chicken. So I kind of chose to go with that one on purpose because I'm a little biased. I'm rooting for Popeyes. As expected, there is a long line outside, which actually starts here, if you can believe it. This thing swings all the way around. Aha. Hello. Hey, can I get a spicy chicken sandwich?
Did you want the sandwich by itself or did you want the combo?
Just a sandwich. Can I also get mashed potatoes with gravy?
Yeah.
Me and my friends were trying to compare spicy chicken sandwiches. I'm rooting for Popeyes. There you go.
What was the name of the order?
Z, as in zebra. And just like that, look at all these suckers waiting in line. I got mine in like 2 minutes.
So let me tell you how we're going to compare these sandwiches exactly. We're going to compare what they look like, opened up out of the wrapper, first what they're supposed to look like in their menu photo. We're going to compare the price, and obviously the taste. Should be a pretty decent battle. How you doing, sir? We should also try to figure out which one's the spiciest. All right, we're getting a little close to Johnny's house. I'm going to cut this off till we get there. I'll see you in a minute. What are you doing now?
I gotta be wearing my mask. Oh, I have it right here.
All right, dude, we got them all out.
Okay, what I've noticed, there's two types of spicy chicken sandwiches. There's the ones with lettuce, tomato, and mayo. And then now they're coming out with chicken with the spicy sauce and pickles. Yeah, so I guess we'll compare the two types and let's eat it. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this 3 ways, 4 ways. Let's do 4 ways to make it easy on my life. Boom, cut into it. And the reveal. You can tell it's an actual piece of chicken, not an oversized chicken nugget.
That looks good.
So, pretty good looking. I'm super excited to take a bite. So this is Popeyes. We're going in for the taste test. I'm pretty sure all you guys out there already know what it tastes like, but I can't eat it. I'm hungry. Mmm.
Wow.
Mmm.
The texture of the chicken is really good.
Very savory. It's spicy too. It's actually a little spicy. It's actual chicken.
Crispy. Like
Crispy.
really crispy, yeah.
Yeah.
And spicy.
Dude, that was high on the podium for me too, man.
What actually makes it is the sauce. I think the sauce really gives it that flavor. And the pickles. Good combination of sauce and pickles.
I don't know if like we're gonna be able to eat this one, dude.
What are you talking about? We got a long way to go.
I told you, Popeyes is so good. Best sandwich. We win.
Best sandwich. It's over.
Yeah. Up next is Burger King. This is not the pickle style. This is the tomato, lettuce, and
I think there's
mayo.
pickles in it, no?
I don't think there's pickles. That'd be weird. There is some Popeyes on this knife still.
Spread her out, let's look.
All right, I see the tomato. It's a good little thin chunk of chicken, but let's give her a go.
Burger King.
Yeah, my Burger King. Mmm.
Kind of bland compared to the Popeyes.
I'm telling you, man, we start off with like godly heaven sent of the chicken sandwich.
All right.
Definitely not as savory. The mayo and stuff gives it flavor, but nice little crisp to it. I like it. Not as much chicken. I wish there was a little more chicken in it.
Doesn't have the texture or the spiciness.
But like I said,
it's not bad, but it's not blowing me away.
yeah, like I
Popeyes
said,
did.
it's kind of a thin little patty. It's not as spicy at all. I don't
Yeah.
taste any spice. So Burger King, yeah, step up your spice game.
Yeah. What did this one cost? $6?
So this one cost a whopping $5.59
$5 for that.
plus tax.
How much did the Popeyes one cost?
$3.99.
Wow. All right, so Popeyes is winning across the board everything right now.
So far, so far.
Yeah. I mean, this one looks a little beasty, man. I feel good about this. This is gonna be good.
All right, so this one is yet another pickle version of a chicken sandwich. It looks pretty chunky and crispy, so let's give her a go. So Chick-fil-A, $3.99. Why am I cutting it on the paper? All right.
That looks good. Look at that, dude. The density of that chicken.
Yeah, it looks pretty,
I'm all right with that.
give it a taste test.
Get it in your mouth. I heard you get it that.
Like you mentioned, chicken density, it's a little dry.
It's not as crispy as the Popeyes one, or spicy, but it has really good flavor.
It's nice and savory, but I don't taste the pickles. I think they're just like mini, are they fake pickles? Not bad, but I don't know, it's just not.
It's not Popeyes.
It's not Popeyes. Not bad. Not as crispy as I wanted it to be.
Yeah, I can agree with that. Out of the 3 so far, I still like Popeyes. I like the flavor of this one better once you get past the breading and all that stuff. It's got that saltiness that I love. So for me, I'm gonna put Burger King in last place. Popeyes is in first. Chick-fil-A close second. All right, what do we got now? Oh, dude, oh, dude.
KFC.
That
actually
looks good.
Not looking too bad. Bringing in my bias again, I'm not a big fan of KFC, but this does look good. I love food either way, and I love chicken.
Cut her up.
Okay, yet another pickle sauce combo.
That looks strong.
Dude, that looks, yeah, that doesn't look bad whatsoever.
KFC by far wins appearance.
Yeah, this one probably looks the best. Ugh. Yeah, because it tastes like a dry rub, sort of.
I thought that's the hottest so far.
So this one's pretty good. I mean, it's like really good. Not as crispy as I want. I want that real crunch.
I feel like flavor-wise, this is the best.
It's sweet. It's not as savory. It's more sweet. It's like a dry rub. The meat is not dry. I don't know if it's the sauce that's like really giving that like good flavor, or if it's like the seasoning that they put on the chicken. But either way, I'd say this is a good one.
It doesn't have that texture though that the Popeyes has.
And I can't taste the pickles. I don't know why I can't taste the pickles.
Yeah, pickle game is a little weak on this one.
I think appearance-wise, this one's the winner for me so far. Taste, it was amazing. I didn't expect it to be as good as it was, man. This one might move into second above Chick-fil-A, behind Popeyes.
So KFC, $4.69 for a sandwich. Oh yeah. So not too bad.
We got Wendy's. What did these cost?
These cost 2 for $5, making me holler.
Hands down, they win in the value department.
Yeah, obviously it's not the pickle one, but let's give her a go. Ugh. All right. This one looks like a chicken nugget version of a chicken patty.
It's not bad, but there's nothing really special about it.
Lettuce doesn't taste really fresh. You know when it gets like a little chewy?
Yeah.
Chewy lettuce. Not as much flavor. I can really say, after eating all of them, the lettuce tomato ones, yeah, they're not very flavorful compared to the pickles with the savory sauce. For 2 for $5, quantity-wise, this will get me full. Maybe half full.
It's kind of like...
I would probably spend 2 for $2.
Yeah, it's like compared to the Burger King. Like it's just nothing special.
Yeah, I pushed this down there with Burger King. I think Burger King might have even beaten this one out. I'm not sure. It's a 2 for $5 though, man. It's hard to hate on that, right?
Best value for sure.
Best value, execution, whatever. I mean, it didn't do too bad on appearance, right? But everything else, you know, fail. I'm gonna have to say KFC and Popeyes. They're right there with each other.
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A in third. The rest aren't even worth the mention.
No.
Unfortunately. What do you think, man?
Popeyes #1 for sure. KFC second. Chick-fil-A is like third, really close to KFC. Yeah, everything under that is kind of like whatever. Nothing special.
What about you, Z?
I would have to agree with my comrade over here. Popeyes, KFC, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, and Wendy's. And if you notice a trend, the pickle sauce style of sandwiches has an advantage when it comes to taste and I'd say quality. But then again, those are coming from mostly like chicken specific restaurants. So they know what they're doing.
All right, so hands down, we all agree the $3.99 Popeyes chicken wins it. Louisiana chicken done proper. Agreed. I want to thank all you guys for sticking with me the duration of this video. It's a fun day as usual, man. Good to see Z, as always. And much love to the Patreons, man. You guys are great, man. Glad to have you on my team. Check Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. You know where you can get the goods. Check out my other channel. It's all dirt bike stuff, but you guys already know that. Go over there, watch me get hurt. And please, don't forget, support the channel partners. Good group. Give them the opportunity. See you next time, man. Love you all. Later.